Hey guys, it's Courtney from CompanyCam, and I'm excited to talk to you about our integration with Google Calendar. With this integration, you'll be able to create a Google Calendar event right from a CompanyCam project. That means less switching back and forth between CompanyCam, your CRM, and your calendar trying to coordinate and schedule jobs. Once you create a Google Calendar event from a CompanyCam project, your crews will have access to a universal link right from the event, and even the ability to pull up directions to the job with one click. Coordinating with your customers will be easier, too. You can add them to your calendar event from CompanyCam so they know exactly when to expect you. With one look at your calendar, gain visibility into what jobs are happening, then go directly into a project to get more info without having to search by address or remember a last name. Integrate for a smooth process with fewer mistakes and fewer tedious steps. Ready to get your CompanyCam projects on your Google Calendar? Visit help.companycam.com for step-by-step instructions. If you know us, you know we're always adding more integrations to the mix. So keep an eye out for announcements and check out companycam.com/integrations to view our full catalog.